Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Before going ahead, I just wanted to give a shout out to my last video that I have filmed. It's a makeup haul that I have done. You can take it as a beginner makeup haul. I'm going to link it over here. Just click that eye over here and go ahead and watch that video out. So today I'm just going to vlog my few days. It's just been 2-3 days remained for my engagement. And I have mentioned in my last video, I'm trying to do my engagement at in a way that it will be pocket friendly. I'm going to make a complete video about it, like how we have planned it and where we have spent the money for, how much you have spent it for. Just wanted to give you a heads up. I am in Bangalore, I stay in Bangalore, and I am getting engaged in Bangalore. So whatsoever I'm going to share going ahead about my engagement, it will be related to in the city, where we went, which are the venues we have seen, how much it has cost, what are the budget over here in the city. I'm going to share everything in some other videos, but today's video is all about getting decked up, getting prepared for my engagement. So today I'm going to do my nails. Yes, today is Friday, and it's 25th of November. I'm going to do my nails. I'm really excited to do it after months. The last time I did my nails was in the month of May or June, I guess, of this year only. And it's been way long that I have done nails, and I really love doing my nails. So I am going to take you through my journey of these 2-3 days of getting decked up for my engagement. I hope that you're going to enjoy this. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video if you like it. So here I love two of the brands over here in Bangalore. One is Nail Box. I think if you are from Bangalore, you have heard about this name. If you are crazy about doing your nails, you will know about this place named Nail Box. I really love going there. Their services are really good. If you are into extension, I feel like Nail Box is the best place to go for the nail extension part. I really love it. The thing is that it's pricey. Nail box services are really good, but it's pricey. Yes, but I have booked my appointment for nail lashes. It's a brand. It's available pan India. It's available in pan India. In most of the cities in India, it's available. So I have booked my appointment for there. I love the services of nail lashes also, but the thing is that I love nail box services more than nail lashes. But nail lashes is pocket friendly. It's really cool place. I love the services over there also. I'll take you through my journey. I'll be mentioning all the prices over here in the screen, so that you will be able to know if you're in the city in Bangalore, you'll be able to go. Again, one more thing, nail lashes is not only present in Bangalore, it's present in pan India. I'm going to link everything about this place in the description box so that you can go ahead and check it out. So I have done my face. I'm done with my makeup for today. I'm just searching for a good lip shade. I think I'm in a mood to wear purplish pink, I guess. I'm not sure. I'll just go through my makeup stash, and I'm going to find the color that I'm in the mood to wear for today. So yeah, I wore this lip color over here. I have shown it in my haul video. It's from My Glam LIT. I am not sure about this shade. It's a pinkish, and I feel like I really loving this color today on my lips. So yes, I am all ready. I'm waiting for my Ola to arrive. So today is day one of getting decked up for my engagement. Tomorrow I have appointments for my facial, for eyebrow plucking, as well as cleaning up my face. Also, I am wearing mehendi tomorrow. I'll take you through it. I'm going to a very reasonable place to wear my mehendi. So today is day one, as I mentioned, for getting decked up. Tomorrow is the day two. I'll take you through the complete journey.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows fields of our youth.
So yeah, I just came home after doing my nails. I hope that you guys like it. I have done a glitter ombre with few stones in my ring finger, and I am really loving it. I'm really loving it. So yes, I have done it from nail lashes. If you I have done it from the Kalyan Nagar branch. So this is the first time I have visited their Kalyan Nagar branch, and guys, I think it's been the best experience of me in nail lashes after ages. I have went to a few of the nail lashes when I used to stay in Delhi. I've done it from there. I have visited the Kormangla branch too of Bangalore, but this time I went to the Kalyan Nagar branch, and it is their new branch they have recently opened up in Kalyan Nagar. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked it. I have made a reels about how to do the nails, how I went to that place, and how they did my nails. I will put the link of that reels in the description box, and also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. You are going to see a lot of reels. I have recently made a lot of reels about travel. I went to nearby places of Bangalore. I visited a lot of nearby places in Bangalore. I visited those. I made a reels of it, how to go there, what to see there. So do follow me on Instagram. So you're going to see a lot of travel reels over there on my Instagram, as I'm currently visiting a lot of nearby places from Bangalore. Now, if you want to go ahead and have your mehendi on your budget, then in Bangalore you'll be able to see a lot of vendors on the roadside. A lot of vendors you'll be able to find, and they are pretty cheap over here. So if you don't want to spend thousands of amount on going to a parlor or booking someone to do your mehendi, because when I went through a lot of websites, I went through a lot of Google search. The minimum amount a mehendi artist was charging was around 10,000. That was the minimum amount that they were charging. So I had an idea to go to the roadside vendors, and believe me, they definitely will not be able to find out, or you'll not be totally happy with their designs. But for an engagement, or let's say if you've been invited into a marriage event, then it's a perfect place to go and have your mehendi done at very budget friendly, because minimum for a full hand, like up to your elbow, they were charging 1,000 rupees, and I have done my mehendi up to my elbow, and it has charged me around 1,000 rupees. Like they were charging around 1,500, but you'll be able to do the bargaining over there with the roadside vendors. So it will be very reasonable for you to go ahead and have your mehendi done from them. And they did a pretty, I'll say, decent job with it. Now if I talk about doing your facials or doing your waxing, and for clean up and everything, if you've been invited as a guest in a marriage event, or if you are having your engagement planned this month or the coming month, then I will suggest go to your local parlors. You can go to your local parlors, and because of the parlor that I went to do my facial and to do my waxing, with all these services, they charged me around 840 rupees. So it was pretty cheap. So I will say avoid going to all the branded parlors. Go to your local parlors and do your facial and everything, get done it over there in the local parlors. Okay, I hope that this video was helpful for every one of you. So if you find it helpful, then do give a like to this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next video.